Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my monthly vlog. My name is Jess, and for today I want to share something simple, but maybe something you never really think about. Have you ever opened your phone without knowing why? You unlock it, you look at the screen, and after a few seconds later, you're already inside an app. No plan, no intention, just automatic. And maybe you think this is a normal thing, but what if it is not? Today, many students believe they use their phone because they want to. They think every action is a choice. But if you observe carefully, there are moments where you don't really choose. Your hand reach your phone before your mind even realize it. And this raises a question: are you really in control? According to research, the average person checks their phone around 90 times a day. For teenagers, this number can even be higher. Some studies suggest more than 100 times a day. Some studies suggest more than 100 times a day. But what's more interesting is this. Most of these actions are not intentional, they're automatic. This happens because of something called a habit loop. A habit loop has three parts: a trigger, an action, and a reward. This trigger can be very small: feeling bored, feeling tired, even silent. Your brain doesn't like empty moments, so it looks for something to fill them. The action is simple. You reach your phone and unlock it. It happens so fast that you don't even notice the decision. Then comes the reward. You see something new, a message, a video, a post. Not everything is really important for you, but but your brain doesn't care about importance. It cares about stimulation. Every time you see something new, your brain releases dopamine. Your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is not exactly happiness. It is anticipation. It makes you feel curious, like something interesting might happen. And your brain learns, if I open my phone, I might find something, and that might is enough to keep you coming back over time. This becomes a pattern, again, again, and again, until one day you are no longer choosing, you're just reacting. That's why you open your phone, then suddenly you stop and ask to yourself, why did I open this? Now imagine this. Imagine this. You're about to study. You sit down and you open your book. You read one sentence, maybe two, or maybe three. And then suddenly your hand moves. You pick your phone not because you need it, not because something is urgent, but because your brain is used to it. The problem is not your phone. The problem is repetition. Small action repeated every day become something really powerful. Stronger than your attention, stronger than your intention, stronger than your planned, and even more stronger gain than your planned. A study from Duke University found that around 40% of our daily actions are habits, not decisions, just a pattern, which means almost half of your life runs automatically. So when you say, I can't stop checking my phone, maybe the real sentence is, I trained myself to check it. Not in one day, but in small moments, repeated many times. So the next time you open your phone, just take a second and ask to yourself, did I choose this or did my habits choose it for me? Because at some point, this is no longer about your phone. It's about control. And the real question is, who is in control? You or your habit? Thank you for watching. I am Ijaz and I'll see you again in the next monthly vlog of me. I'm sorry if there is any mistake or another. Maybe now. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.